Good morning, guys. 4,560 on the Odo. That's when I'm leaving today for Motoverse Goa. Trip 1 I'll reset. Trip 2 is where my fuel efficiency is being recorded. So see you guys on the road. Passing the, almost about to reach Katraj, but is this all smog or fog? What is it? What do you think? It's good amount of cold, quite chilly. So petrol filled at this petrol pump is 12.04 liters and kilometers done in that is 322 kilometers. Fuel efficiency based on that is 26.76. So this was all city riding and all. Let's see how much we get in the highway today. Those are our Autolog boys. I was doing 140, 145. I think I touched 150 also, but everything started wobbling. So this camera also came on my head. So I stopped. Hotel Rajmarg. I stopped for a missile and lemon tea. इन्होंने बैगेज रीसेट किया, थोड़ा लेमन भी पिया, and we'll move now. So boys have decided to take Anuskara. So we're going to be taking a diversion soon from, I think, 100-200 meters. Goa is still 274 kilometers. Since morning we have covered 174 kilometers. This route now, Anuskara, as I said earlier. बाइक इज़ डूइंग रियली नाइस. थोड़ा सा वाइब्रेशंस बढ़ गया, लेकिन मेरे को 100% डाउट है चेन ड्राई हो गया रहेगा. यस, इट इज़ माइनर ड्राई. फर्स्ट व्यू ऑफ द इनिशियल घाट. अनुस्कारा is still lot inside, still far away, but the solo empty roads have started. Ghat rasta samapt. Entered Anuskara. Some time back me and Kabir were lapping, and at one corner I had to take a right. I lost control. I entered the ditch, but somehow the bike balanced itself and I'm alive, unscratched. But that scared the shit out of me. There was a turn like this and I went a little extra wide. Approximately 1:30 in the afternoon and we are crossing the famous Anuskara Ghat. Yo monkey. So after you get down off the Anuskara Ghat, immediately after that bad patches, random such bad patches start. So if you have some super bike or something, you might be, careful on these roads. See, look at that jeep tossing around. After this Anuskara Ghat ends and the bad road ends, there is one village where we stopped here to have some lunch, veg lunch, and हमारे भाई साहब is having lassi and vada special वेज पकोड़ा. होटल मुंबई शुद्ध शाकाहारी. यहाँ पे हमने वी हैड लंच एंड तब तक ये दोनों एंटॉर्क भी आ गई थी हमारी. एक is been ridden by Sakit Bhai and one is ridden by आनंद
पुढे 2 रस्ते आहेत.
2 आहेत का?
हां.
पूरा ग्रीन पानी कंप्लीटली. ओ बस बस बस, रुको 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 रुको. हॉर्न क्यों मारना पड़ता है? रुक जाना चाहिए. कम ऑन. Touch the Mumbai Goa highway finally at 4 o'clock. Still 100 plus kilometers, and this mount bolt has gone loose, so it's dropping every now and then. Still about 52 kilometers to our hotel near Vegetar, and I obviously enjoyed the ride for this scrambler, on this scrambler. As I shared in in the previous video, installation video, that the bike feels more relaxed, more tamed, less aggressive. It is heating less, and I was able to achieve a little higher speeds much easily. I was able to cruise at 100, 130, 120, 140 very easily without vibrations in the bike. I think I touched around 155 or so, but after that all this started vibrating. Even this has gone loose. I don't know how it went loose. All this was vibrating too much, so the bike was not vibrating, but because of the wind blast, these things were vibrating a lot, so I had to slow down and control my speeds. But overall, yes, this sprocket change and all, even the addition of the plug, the iridium plug, that was a nice touch, nice change that I did. Of course, many have already done it. I'm not the first one to do it, but obviously I also had to do it. I have put iridium in all my bikes previously. You have seen all the vlogs, and as I told you in the installation video for the sprocket, I had already seen the video before buying the bike. So yeah, that was a good step done by me. I have to fuel up, so I'll share with you the second fuel efficiency too. Morning when I topped up, I got around 26, which was approximately, all 300 was in the city, and 60 kilometers I came out on the highway riding towards Motoverse, Ridermania, Goa. So if I fill up sometime now, I'll tell you the fuel efficiency again, how much I'm getting. By the way, it has done 334 kilometers in that fuel top up, and there are 2 bars more remaining right now. Day 2 in Goa. I just fueled up because कल रात को लेट हो गया था and I was not in the condition. So this is the trip 2 that I've traveled, 396 kilometers, 0.9, and I just filled speed petrol 103.44 at Goa and 11.60 liters, and the calculation is 34.21 ka fuel efficiency. Now this would have been much better if I would have not touched 140, 145, 155 tak. I think I had gone somewhere, multiple places before Karad, and after Karad it was all ghat section, Anuskara and all this stuff. Entering Goa also we were in full traffic, so इतना हमको easy नहीं मिला है, मतलब the roads were not easy on the bike. So I'm 100% sure this would the fuel efficiency would touch 35, 36 easily with this sprocket change, with the scroll filter and all this, even the spark plug that I've put. So let me know your comments, your feedback. What is the best that you get on your bike? But with that said, I'll end the vlog here because I need to go for breakfast now and start shooting the episode 2 for Motoverse. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.